What's up, guys? It's your NCOIC Sergeant Thomas, and I'm back with another video, like I like to say. This time I am going to see if my stock jack even works with this setup anymore. I'm very curious to see. My thoughts is that it's not gonna work, so let's go ahead and give it a try. So right back here behind this panel is where the jack lives. This is the stock jack right here. And my thought is it's not gonna work because it's pretty small, but it's used for jacking up a pretty tall van as it is. So just take this down, set it outside. I think I'm gonna need this too. I actually found a picture that somebody had drawn behind this panel. If anybody knows who drew this, let me know. Or let them know I got their van. Alright, let's set it up. Alright. It's looking mighty small, mighty short. When I got this set up, I was so concerned about whether or not I would get a flat and what I was gonna do. Because I knew that the stock tires, the stock spare wasn't gonna cut it. But I never really considered the jack. And this looks like it's got a long way to go, but it's worth a try. I can't believe this even jacked up the van in the first place. Like, how low was it? All right, guys, I don't see this getting up there. Yeah, so let me know in the comments an alternative, a good alternative to this, because this is not gonna help me out in the time of need. See, maybe when the tire is flat, you know, the van will be lower. But then you're gonna have to be able to pick it up high enough in order to put a full tire on, right? And it's gonna be a full-size spare. Oh. Which is it's getting pretty high up there. It will probably change a flat. But will it be high enough? Will it get high enough in order to put on a new tire, you know? And I don't think so. Although the height is pretty impressive. But I think it's maxed out right there. Yeah, it's maxed out right there. And it's just barely touching the shackle. So this ain't gonna work. So let me know in the comments a better alternative. Maybe some type of high lift jack or something. Not some type, that's what it's gonna have to be. But if anybody knows a good brand or something, definitely check it out, because I'm gonna need one. I'm also gonna remove this spare tire because it ain't doing nothing for me. Right under here is where the spare tire is. It's the stock spare tire, clearly. And I've been riding around with this dead weight for way too long, especially with these gas prices. Gotta try to lighten the load, maybe that'll help. So in order to get this spare tire out, we gotta put that tool inside this hole right here, and it will lower the spare tire down. just put this on the inside. Crank it back up. And then there you have it. Weight reduction. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Let me know if my test was flawed, because I didn't actually have a flat tire, but I'm pretty sure it's not gonna work. So also let me know, like I've been saying in the comments as well, if you know an alternative to a jack, because my whole concern was not having the 5th tire, but it doesn't make sense to have the 5th tire if you can't even jack it up. Alright guys, thanks for watching.